friends, my name is Aditya Mittal and I'm 9 years old. The topic I have chosen is why I daydream about going back to preschool. Lately, there has been a lot of talk about preschool in my home. It so happens that my little brother Abhishek, who it seems was only born yesterday, is now getting ready for preschool. There is a lot of discussion going around the house about, what will he eat? Does he know how to nap? Wow, eating, sleeping, playing. Heaven, wasn't life just a breeze? No wonder I find myself daydreaming about going back to preschool. I would leisurely wake up around 8 a.m. with no alarms blaring and no one shouting at me. I would then saunter downstairs with my favorite snuggly blanket. Then my mother would even feed me breakfast. After coming home, there was a fun-filled evening waiting for me with no homework but just TV and toys. Actually, for that evening advantage alone, makes me want to enroll in preschool right now with my brother. Did you know my TV time is limited to weekends only? This is because my mother thinks that if I watch too much TV, full form in my brain and all my intelligence will leak out. All I ask is this: how come this rule does not apply to preschoolers? And then there are the mornings. I don't want to wake up before the sun does and go to school half asleep. I need to concentrate. I have math, English, social studies, and the list goes on. And what about my brother? All he has to do is sing songs. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And here's the thing. Even if he just says tinkle star, high fives are given, photos are taken, and videos are sent all over to my relatives. And as for me, if I get 25 out of 30 in math, it's a tough evening for me at home. Aditya, you need to be more serious. This kind of thing spills out over to things outside of school as well. For example, my brother's idea of playing with Legos is to pile them up and drive his car through them like a Batmobile going through buildings. I'd like to do that too, but now I'm expected to make intelligent structures which twirl and glow. How can one not want to go back to preschool? One thing I can say for sure though, thanks to my baby brother, I get to watch Caillou and Curious George. And I still love them. I get to go on the baby rides and theme parks. I get to be super silly with him. Ultimately, preschool for the first time was pretty nice. Imagining preschool as a fourth grader? Awesome. Reliving preschool through my brother? Priceless. Thank you.